Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about what I think about the development of artificial intelligence in general. But first, a quick sponsor for today's video. Well, not really. I wish. But anyways, let's get straight into the topic. Currently, when it comes to artificial intelligence, it's often referring to the machine learning technologies. Although the development of these machine learning technologies are impressive, I think that it is something that should be handled with great caution. Not because of the hysteria and fear-mongering about how AI is going to take over and erase humanity, but in a way, it kinda is. Let me explain. Right now, we can already see how these machine learning technologies are replacing and diminishing certain human merits. For example, students in high schools and even universities are relying on ChatGPT to write essays and assignments for them, which could weaken their own abilities to write over time. The intellectual prowess of us humans is one of the most important distinguishing features that separate us from other organisms. It is also the reason why us humans have made it so far. Having something that can diminish or replace that would be a threat to the meaning of our humanity, which is why something like AI should be heavily regulated. My following point may not immediately seem relevant, but bear with me here. Ecologically speaking, all species have a niche, which is the role that they play within their ecosystem. The niche-based theory suggests that an ecological community consists of a limited number of niches, and each niche is occupied by a single species. No two species can have an identical niche. Therefore, if we rely on these technologies to do things that are innate to us, it'll slowly replace our own merits that make humanity innately special. Sure, the development of these machine learning technologies may alter the economic realm of our world due to increased automation, but these changes may not necessarily be good for the meaning of our humanity, as it can potentially replace the intrinsic value of human intellect with that of automated generations. We are essentially inventing technologies that can speak like us and mimic our intellectual productions. Even though artificial intelligence isn't an organism, it dabbles in the realm of technology, which can't break the laws of nature that we know of. So, we don't really know what Pandora's box we're about to open, and what it means for the trajectory of our humanity. I hope that you enjoyed this little video. Thank you so much for watching, and please have a wonderful day. Goodbye.